Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen record and sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and right here is the screen recorder. Now we have to hold on this icon to open screen recorder settings. Right here we have to just click on the sound source option, where we can choose if we want to mute sound, we want to have a mic as our sound source, or system sounds. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.